Hey guys, let's answer question number 1. Is the relation shown a function justify your answer? So it's asking, to be a function, each input has to have exactly one output? Does each x value has to have exactly one y value? So I like to think of it as a vending machine. When I go up to a vending machine and I hit button 5 for Coke and a Coke comes out, right? The machine's working right. I hit 5 again, a Coke comes out. But then I hit 5 a third time and all of a sudden a Sprite comes out. Something's not working right with the machine, right? I expected when I hit 5, I expected to get that same output every time. But one of the times I got a Sprite, the machine's broken, right? That would not be a function. So for this example, I like to mark the x and the y. So the first number in the coordinates x, the second one's y, right? So let's repeat that again. Does each x value have exactly one y value? So first thing I want to do after I label them is see if any of the x's repeat, right? Do I see any of the same x values here? Yeah, well, I have an x of -2 here and an x of -2 here, right? So when I hit -2 on the vending machine, I got a 6. But when I hit -2 again, it gave me an 8, right? Something's not right with the machine. This would not be a function, not a function. So on this worksheet, there's a couple other examples. So let me show you a couple more here. So this table, it's the same thing. It's just shown differently, right? So instead of coordinates, we have the table here. So let's see, does any of my x values repeat? X is -4, -3, -2. Well, I know since none of the x values repeat, each input's going to have exactly one y output. So here, even though I hit -2, I got a 2, and then I hit -1. So think about this as a vending machine. 2 different buttons on the vending machine can give you Coke, right? So, because Coke's a popular one. So maybe they have 2 slots on the vending machine that they'll give you Coke. Each input still has exactly one output, right? If I had another -2 down here, and then I hit, it was 7, well, now this wouldn't be a function. But the way it currently was before I added that would have been a function. Let's look at this example. So again, input is x, output is y, right? Input 2 gave me 14. That's good. Input 3 gave me 12. That's fine. Input 4 gave me 18. Input 5 gave me 16. Everything's good so far, right? The input 6, well, this has 2 outputs. It has an output of 18 and it has an output of 20. So when I hit 6 on the vending machine, it can't give me 2 different things, right? It can't give me an 18 sometimes and a 20 sometimes. This vending machine wouldn't be working. This would not be a function. All right, I hope that helps.